Hello guys, welcome back to the another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna discuss about how you will build up this lyrics charts app and using JavaScript lyrics API charts API. So in this tutorial you will learn how to build design and build up this app using JavaScript, HTML and CSS. So basically you probably have used for a seen one of this before. So what we are going to do is we are going to just charts lyrics apps. Just you can charts anything here, just see here and click this here and get lyrics. So you'll show that this is the here. Wow, this is wonderful, and I hope this is the nice design, and image and background transparent is actually wonderful. So here just you can charts anything in this here. So just I'll charts like that iron. Okay, then you will show that here is the lot of charts result, and just I'll click this here, get lyrics, and I'm Iron Man and has he lost his mind. This is the lyrics of Iron Man. So basically this is our project, and just start without wasting of time. So let's go to the code. So at first I wanna say to you, if you want to like my video, then obviously subscribe my YouTube channel and stay tuned to Webcode Camp. This tutorial I'm gonna cleaning this project, and just now I'll run this project in the live session. Okay, and you will show that here is the background image and this is the body transparent here, and you will show that here is the title. So in this is the basically come from the style.css like that here, and root, this is the root design, and here the Google fonts. Just you have to go to Google and just type here Google fonts, then you'll import this system. Okay, later I'll show you how to copy this your Google fonts. Okay, so here is the elements, and here is this like that HTML, and here is the sum of body tag and after body tag. Just we are going to build up this utility like that design section. Okay, so this is the sum of elements of design. So here is the like that you can design the body, then after body after. Okay, this is the basically elements, so don't worry about this. This the every part of design, and this is the basically same. So now I'm going to create this here header, and just I'll delete this. So just I will minimize this code, and here just I will show you the live section. So don't worry, just I will minimize this, and I will increase this in my code editor. Okay, this is the perfect, and just now I'm going to create this header section. So this is the header section. I will give this div dot container, that means class container, and here I will give this heading tag h1, and this is the lyrics like that, lyrics charts API charts app. Okay, so guys, here inside of this heading tag, then I will create like that on a form, then like form dot, and no, I'll just use id, and here I will give this form and here just I will give this action nothing, and I'll give this ID, just delete this, and here I will add this placeholder. Okay, so here will be just charts artisan or song, charts artisan or song. Okay, so inside of this just it will show that here. Okay, so inside of this form, then I will give this one button, and just I'll give this inside of the form like that button, and charts, and it will show that here is the button. Okay, then I'm going to create inside of this header section. After that header section, I will then create another section like that. It will be just section. Then I will give this div container, another container, and ID will be same result. I'll give this paragraph tag, inside of paragraph tag, enter song or artist in the field above. Okay, so then you will show that here is the okay. So I hope this is the better, and I hope you will be better understand in the system. Okay, so I hope you will clear this design part. So I'm going to creating this styler CSS. So at first just I'm going to sum of creating this element and root. Just you have to go to Google and type here Google Fonts, wait a few of seconds, then click this here. Okay, then just select your choose, and if you want like that font size of your Google Fonts like that here. I want to pop ins and Ubuntu, then just select this. Okay, so click this here, remove it, and just select it, select this and bold, and type here this. Okay, then import this, and just copy this from here, just before style and style dot, just copy this and just paste it here. Okay, already I'll give this here. Okay, so then you will just declare the sum of root section and just color, and if you want like this you can use it easily like the RGB color and linear gradient as you want. It's totally depend on up to you, so don't worry about this. And here just use it in element, and here HTML tag, and there is the body tag, and here just I want background size cover fixed and body after. Okay, so just here I will use it in the I will design this. I will give this design some of utilities like that p, then small, this is the paragraph tag. Okay, and I hope you will better understand in this live section design. So this is very helpful for you. And padding, it will be just padding bottom, padding bottom. I'll give this 5 pixel, and if you want to like this increase or decrease, it's totally depend on up to you, so don't worry about this. Then I'll give this paragraph medium. Okay, here I'll give this again body padding tag, sorry, body padding bottom, and here I'll give this 5 pixel. Then I'll give this paragraph py, and just padding. Padding will be just 10 pixel and 0. Give this padding, and here just I will give this paragraph like that p, and I will give this font size 1.6 RAM, and here I will use this like that line height, that means 1.5. Then I'll give this, call this like that image, and here I will use it to width like that. Width will be just 100%. Then container, it will be just max width. I'll give this 800 pixel. I'll give this margin like that, margin will be 0. Then auto, padding 0.20 pixel. So okay guys, here just I will give this header, then container, okay guys. So here just I will give this sum of code here. Okay, then we will show that here is the sum of change. Okay, this is the looking good. And if you want to just change this your color code, so don't worry about this, just I will change this, and before change you will just call this color gray and color dark, and as like as you want. So here after this header part, then I will give this from input. Okay, then I'll give this from button. Outline will be just none, and inside of this just border, and border will be just none. Then I'll give this padding 1 rem, and inside of this like that font size will be 1.6 rem. Font family will be just inherit. Then after that, from like that I will give this from input, only input part. I will give this design it like that to it 5%, and here sorry, there is a mistake like that 50%, and here like that I will give this border radius 1 rem, and inside of this 0, left right, and up to bottom 0. Okay. That will be just a margin like that, margin right here, margin right 3 pixel, border bottom, and here will be just 3 pixel, solid variable, call this color code like that, color primary. Then I will give this some of form button, okay, just I will paste it here, and it will show that here is the sum of change like that. Charts button are color are changing now. And inside of this like that from button hover from, then we'll give this button hover, then just I will give this border, it will be just 1 pixel, solid, give this white, container, and here I will give this just a display block, and just I will give this margin will be just 0 or 2. Here I will give this text align, it will be just center, color like that, white background like that. Inside of this color, then I'll just it's some of problem. After this color, then I will give this padding. Padding will be just 3 rem, and okay, and here you will show that here the sum of elements here. Okay, this is done, the cool design. Then I'll call this like that songs. I'll come back in my sum of here is the another form like that. Give this heading tag, this is the heading. Okay, so inside of this form like that, now I'm sum of field. For that my speaking and my tongue are this is the sum of different than another previous video. Okay guys, don't worry about this, just if you focus on your coding inside of this. Here is the another heading part, like that header, then you will give this like that heading, and here is the you will give this charts of button and button here, like that. This is the button. Okay, so inside of this another section, like that. This is the hair. Okay, so guys, I'll give this design. This is the part, like that, inside of this song. Here I'll type here like that with it will be 70 or 80%. Okay, and here like that list style, it will be just none. I'll give this margin and it will be 0, then auto. Okay, and padding will be just 2 rem and 0. Inside of this song list, like that, font size it will be just 1.4 rem. Text line will be just center. Display will be flex, display flex. Justify contain, it will be just center. Inside of this after this justify contain, then just I will give this padding. Padding will be just 5 pixel 0. Border bottom, one pixel solid, 1 pixel solid. Then just I'll copy this and paste it here, and I'll call this span. Here just I'll give this font size, it will be 1.4 rem. So text line center, display flex. Okay, this is the good, and here just I will give this. Oh, don't need this. Okay, I will give this background color primary, and I will give this padding. Will be just padding will be 5 pixel. Margin will be same, 5 pixel. Outline will be just none. Border radius 5 pixel. Cursor, it will be just pointer. Okay, this is the design cool, looking cool. So guys, this is the basically our HTML and CSS styling, and just now I'm going to creating this like that script.js. Here at first you will declare some of variable, and then you will passing this constant API URL, and I will give this in my description below, API lyrics API, and then you will just give this get charts value inside of this here. Okay, create this add event listener and click function. No, sorry, here just submit event function inside of this pre-event default inside of this here. Then charts function, another create this charts function and display charts result inside of this here. So at first just I'm gonna creating this some of constant variable like that, const, then form document dot get element by id. Why get element by id? Because just I will some of declared inside of this like that, from like the id, and you will show that id, that's for region. Just document dot get element by id, and inside of this call this your variable here like that, from, and make sure that with semicolon, and just copy it and paste it here more time and change this variable. Okay, yes, charts, then change it result. Okay, delete this number of 4, it's unnecessary for this. And here just I will use it another constant API URL, that means so. Okay guys, just you have to go to Google, then type here lyrics charts API. So you will show that this is the lyrics API and lyrics API, and just open this link in the new tab on your Google, and here you will show that this is the request URL. And you will show that just apply here, and you'll our other APIs like that, lyrics API, click this, copy this and paste it here, apply this. Okay, at first you will create your account inside of this, your name and your email address, and then you will find it easily. Just lyrics.obh, and you will just copy it and paste it to your API URL. Make sure that it's semicolon. Okay, so basically this is the API URL, and you will find it easily on your Google. Then just here I will create this get charts value, okay guys. So inside of this after this API URL, then just use it from, then like that add event listener, and just here I will use it submit, comma, use it event free event default, and here just make sure that it's semicolon, and charts value, charts dot value dot trim if charts, like that. When just you will find anything charts, then alert this nothing to charts. At first charts value and UCT fields alert. Here just I will use it nothing to charts. And charts here, okay. Then after that is being charts, like that. Begins B. Here will be just charts value. Just now I'm going to creating this another charts function. Here just charts function, asynchronous. Inside of this asynchronous and function begins charts and charts value. You set constant, like that. Const charts result. Await, that means await fetch API, like that. Use it template string API URL okay. This is the good, and I hope you will understand in this charts API inside of this your charts function asynchronous. So I hope you will understand, and this is the better practice for you. Suggest inside of this, like that. Charts value, make sure that it is semicolon, okay. Then I will pass this const data await charts result dot JSON. And inside of this display data display passing this data. So guys, inside of this just anything charts I run. and you will show that here is a cannot read property of trim. Okay, so this is the problem. Okay, I'll fix it. So this is the basically at first you will create this another display chart. Now I am going to creating this another display function like that, display data, display charts result, comment this line, and just now I'm going to create this function, and it will be just a display data, and here passing this data string value. Okay, result inside of this result dot inner HTML, and use this template string. Just I'll pass this ul ul class dot class equal songs. Okay, then I will pass this data, dot map, then call this song dot artist, then dot name, and here you will just use it strong song, then title, after that div, and you will just use it another span, and here just after that span, then I will use it data like that, artist, song title, song dot title, and here just will like that type here get lyrics, Okay guys, so in this here just you will type here very carefully. So inside of this, after that is result.inner.html. Inside of you will use it another template string, and inside, after that you will just data then dot map, then you will use it another template string, then it will be finished this here. Okay, so this the basically will follow this instruction, and here just will use it inside of this here template string, and here we will just finish this UL. Okay, so this is the basically our create tool. Create this function display data, then I will just I'm going to create this another get lyrics for song, another function get lyrics for song, asynchronous, use it asynchronous function to get lyrics not don't lyrics don't lyrics, and here you see it alert, I will use it artist, use it comma, then song title, const response, fetch API. Okay guys, so just you have to go to Google, then search here like that B1, then after that artist, then title, and just you will use it inside of this here fetch, and here use it template string, API URL, then after that B1, then artist, after that song title, use it song title, make sure that with semicolon, const data, passing this data here, and white response this your JSON data, JSON, passing this like that function. Okay, so after this asynchronous get lyrics function, then you will create another lyrics constant like that data dot lyrics reflex here. So just use it very carefully inside of this data dot lyrics, then replace it. Okay, so then break, use it break, and just result dot inner dot HTML inside of this artist and song title. So this is the basically our JavaScript. So just we are gonna check this and refresh it, and here type here iron and click this. Enjoy this tutorial, and obviously if you want like my video, then subscribe my YouTube channel.